Hello and welcome to a short demonstration about how to log on to your new MyEnglishLab account. From our Schoology homepage, locate the black Get Connected MyEnglishLab folder and click to open it. When you are ready to log into MyEnglishLab, go to step number 3. Click here and that will take you directly to the Pearson login page. Your username will be your first name plus the last 6 numbers of your Carlos Rosario school ID. For example, the password is capital L-E-V-E-L, level, capital A, capital E, 2020, level AE 2020. Pay attention there to the capital and small letters to get it just right. Click to sign in. Next, you will see a products page, and you need to select North Star Listening and Speaking 3, MyEnglishLab. And welcome to your account. You should be signed in under your name. And the first thing that I would like for you to explore is the electronic copy of your North Star 3 textbook. Everybody should be receiving a copy of the book in the mail in the next day or two. And here in MyEnglishLab, you also have an electronic copy of the book. Click on Books and click here, North Star 3, to open your book. And you can explore the inside by clicking over here on the right side arrow, which will advance you page to page. And you can also go back using the left-hand arrow. Enjoy exploring your electronic copy of your North Star 3 textbook.